Magajuang Club mar Police FC biro rakore gi club mar KCB FC e finals mag tuke FKF Cup bang' timbe ariyogo ng'ado tike nus finals. Police FC nolo club mar AFC Leopards gol 1-0 odiochieng' manyoro e tugono mana obedo gi ng'ikruok bang' jalup jakudh firimbi Bakidi kendo riwruok mar FKF chiwo ripot ni tugono otieki odiochieng' ma kawuono. Komachielo KCB nolo club mar Kariobangi Sharks gonde 4-2 kokalo e opich achoma bang' tugono rumo amodhi gol 1-1 dakika mar prochiko gi momedi. Jakom mar AFC Leopards kata kamano onyiso ich wang' mare ne FKF kuom bago tugono e alap ma Police Sacco.
It's their show, they are running their show. We as AFC Leopards, we shall bring our team wherever they want us to play. If they want us to play in somebody's sitting room, we shall take the team in that person's sitting room because it seems that is the cue they have and we will follow it. But it is very unfortunate. Football is sweet with fans. I wonder when people are trying to push clubs which cannot even raise 10 fans simply because we know what is happening behind the scenes and then we come to matches which have been predetermined. Let them tell us where they want us to play, we shall play.